Okay, here is the Newk's mobile demo app that we've built for you. As you can see, we have the header here. We have a YouTube video that we found. We have find a location, some social interaction, which ties into your pages, your online ordering, cakes of the day, soups of the day, mobile offers club, which is an easy way for people to sign up onto a text list so that you can push offers out to them, group ordering information, about Newks, and send us a message. As you can see here, we actually have tied into your Facebook page. So if people like you on the mobile app, they're actually liking you on the page, so that you can market to them. One-touch email, so that they can send a link to the mobile app to their friends, and they can also tweet it. If we go up here, we can incorporate any type of YouTube video. As I said, we can play this here.
This is a photo of a toasted, tasty Newk sandwich and another of Newk's crispy California-style pizzas and supremely satisfying salads and oh, so decadent desserts. Of course, they're just photos, but proof enough that a picture can tempt 1,000 taste buds. Come to Newk's Express Cafe and enjoy our signature dishes made with the finest, freshest ingredients in person. After all, taste buds can only take so much tempting.
So as you can see, it's a very, very powerful way to get your message across, especially if you're driving people to the app via Facebook or postcard mailings, in-store advertising via the cups, table tents, handouts, etc., posters, window clings. A great feature, though, is the find a location. This basically pulls up a menu so people can go by state. So if they wanted to find a store in Mississippi, it ties into the GPS. It has all the store information, the phone number, the address, and then if they click on the map, it will actually pull up the GPS and give them step-by-step driving instructions to the store. Each store then also gets a individual page. So you can have one app, but it'll drive to individual pages within the app so that each store can do their individual promotions. If you click here, you can see here we have, similar to your website, we have a photo of the individual store, and then we have a sample here of our secure couponing system. You can put any type of offer here. You can put a photo, put a description, you can put the redemption information, again, the contact information, the map. They can click to see other locations. They can email this offer. Now, if we were actually on the mobile phone, this is an emulator, it would give you the option to email to a friend, also to save the coupon to your phone, so it saves a little icon on the phone, so when they can use it later. They can like it, which this actually likes it on their page and puts you onto their feed. Again, they can tweet it. They can email to a friend here also. When they go to redeem the offer, has a little warning to make sure that they're at the register, and the cashier can tell them to punch a number in, or can punch it in for them. Typically, our retailers use the store address, which is easy to remember. When they click redeem, it actually erases this off of the phone, so it can't be used again, and that's optional. If you want to have something that's used multiple times, you can do that. Okay. Let's go back to the home page. The online ordering we'll take a look at separately, because it won't show in the emulator here. Cakes of the day. So each store could actually have this page on their store page. They can have the today's selections, and then some tempting photos. So again, if we use this with signage, with a table tent, to have the QR code that goes to this page, when they're waiting for their meal, they could be browsing this and hopefully give you guys some incremental sales there. Same thing with soups of the day. You can put, each store can have the list of each day's soups, and that could be easily changed out with our content management system. If we go to our mobile offers club, what it offers is a easy way for people to punch their phone number in, and so instead of having to text Newks to 71441, they just put their phone number in there. You can request other information that's not required. The little red asterisk shows that it's required. You can capture their birth date if you want to do some type of a birthday promotion and send them a special coupon on their birthday. That's all possible. Also, about nukes is the history of nukes that we took from your webpage and the founding. And again, this is a framework. Our system is not a templated system, so we can create this to be exactly the way you want it to be. It could have a navigation similar to this, or it could be a complete graphic interface. That's totally flexible. You can actually have forms too. So this form is just a generic form that we put in here. The people can put a message. You can have a drop down for if they're interested in catering information, job opportunities, general interest, vendor inquiries, etc. Or you can put radio buttons, check boxes. You can have people sign up for an email marketing campaign. And then this can actually tie into whatever you're using for your email marketing blasts. So if you're using MailChimp, if you're using iContact, Constant Contact, Campaigner, we tie in with Salesforce.com, which probably isn't applicable to you, but we can create any type of interaction. We also have payment processing. So I don't know if any of your stores do any fundraisers for local charities or anything like that, but we can actually do that, and our payment system actually operates right within the app. It does not throw people out to a non-mobile PayPal page, for example. So that's very, very powerful. And then we have a thing on the group ordering, which we'll go through in the online ordering system. But this just talks about the system so that large companies or groups can order ahead if you guys were interested in that product. Anyway, so that's the overall of the app. A very, very flexible system. What are the benefits of being on mobile? Well, first of all, to get up in the rankings in Google search. Google does a lot of advertising, sells a lot of advertising for mobile. So their new edict as part of the ranking system for your Google results is that you have a mobile app. If you do, they're happy because they sell advertising and you're helping them. If you don't, they're not too happy because you're not helping them, and they're not going to help you. One-touch access for your customers to touch your brand. As you can see, it makes it very, very easy for your customers to find information, to get signed up so that they can continue to receive your offers, information about events and store openings and new product offerings you might have. It's easy viral sharing. So tying into what we talked about for the Facebook like down here, for tweeting, for going into Pinterest or any other social network that you want to get into. It's easy for people to share with their friends. The list building we talked about, that is really why we drive people to this type of application, to be able to build our lists and to be able to continue to market to them at a very, very reasonable rate. And then, of course, having measurable results. All of this is tied into our analytics, as we discussed a little bit earlier, and knowing exactly how your customers are engaging with your brand, if they're seeing the messages that you want to convey. Very, very powerful tools. One thing that I'll leave you with here is that Donald Trump Jr. several weeks ago was quoted that this interface here, the mobile screen, is the most valuable real estate in the world. And think about it, if you actually have your app icon on someone's phone, you're just one touch away from them engaging with your brand. So there's very, very limited real estate there. Most people will install 30, 40, 50 icons max. So if you can get people to install the app very easily, and we do that by being a cloud app, they don't have to go to an app store to do it. They just go to the URL, scan your QR code. We have a pop-up instruction, and they install the app icon. So it's a very, very seamless system. And now let's take a look briefly at the coupon statistics and the in-app statistics. This is sort of the 50,000 foot level, which gives you a quick glimpse of what's going on.